This is Amkette iGrip Telescopic One-Touch Car Mount. The box comes with the iGrip phone holder, the suction base, and a dashboard pad. Assembling it is a simple process. The car mount has been made with premium polycarbonate, making it sturdy and strong. And as you'll soon see, there are a number of smart design choices. Once fully assembled, all we have to do is install it. We start off with removing the protective film from the super sticky gel pad. The sticky gel pad prevents any air gaps between the suction and the surface, making the grip really strong. For ideal usage, a smooth and clean surface is recommended. So that's it. Put it on the desired surface and pull down the locking lever, and we are all set. In addition, if the surface is rough or textured, there is a dashboard pad provided as well. To start, just press the two bars on either side till they click in place. Then, simply place your smartphone in between and press down. The clamps will automatically and securely grip your phone. One issue we've always had on other car mounts is the inability to connect a charging cable or an aux cable. The adjustable bottom foot is a smart solution. Also, we'd like to point out with its large and sturdy clamps, this car mount is designed to hold all sizes of smartphones. This car mount is highly adjustable. You can extend the telescopic arm or move left and right or flip it all the way. The holder also rotates 360 degrees to use in portrait or landscape. Before we wrap this up, we found that unlike other car mounts, this suction cup has great stickiness that does not go with time. And it's also reusable. Just need to rinse it with warm water and air dry. So a quick look at the highlights. The infinite flexibility and multiple positions possible. The adjustable bottom support. The one-touch lock mechanism is a joy, since we can easily use it with one hand. The included dashboard pad is a thoughtful addition. But the strong sticky gel pad and the rock-like grip it had on our phone really sealed the deal for us.